Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you an inside look at the Clever Fox Budget Planner. So if you're ready to take control of your bills, get a great budget, and get some wealthy affirmations and prosperity going, then keep watching. I have some really good things for you inside this book. Okay guys, so this is the box that it comes in. It's a very thick white cardboard box. It also comes in a protective plastic, which I'm going to take off. It has a cute little Clever Fox emblem on it. That's the color that I got, forest green. So inside the box it has the quick start guide, which I will go into detail in a few seconds. Find the focus. Okay, there we go. Your financial goals and things like that, but we'll talk about that in just a few seconds. As you can see, it's very detailed, which is what I like about this planner. They even give you some quick budgeting tips, which is what I need because I just can't seem to save my life. I got my color in forest green because forest green makes me think of money. It's a spiral book. It comes with stickers. It's very cool, very cute metallic stickers that you can place throughout the planner. There's flights, there's money symbols, envelopes, and different motivational stickers that you can place on different parts of the planner. Very cute. It also comes with a warranty card that you can use if something happens to it, and you can contact Clever Fox for them to solve your issues for you. My favorite part of the planner is that it comes undated, so you can start at any time of the year. If you skip a month, you can pick back up wherever you left off. Clever Fox Budget Planner and Bill Organizer. Okay, so here's the inside. It has my financial goals, my mind map. On the next page, it has my strategy, my tactics, actions I will take to cut my expenses. Very detailed. On the following page is where you put your month. So you have the month and year, it's undated. You have this month's goals, your checklist, your income amount, savings amount, and at the bottom is where you date the month that you're working on. On the following page is your monthly budget. It's separated in sections: home, personal, food, transportation, healthcare, entertainment, loans, and other. And at the bottom, you have your total budget, your total actual, and the difference between the two. On the next few pages is where you have the expense tracker. This planner gives you lots of space to write down what you spent for the month. I was very surprised to see that it had so much space because other planners that I've looked at only had a tiny space for the expense tracker, and you definitely need more to be able to write down everything that you spend. On the back page of the month, it has your monthly budget review. My biggest wins this month. Did I meet the budget? If not, why? Did I achieve this month's goals? If not, why? What I learned this month by tracking my expenses. I will do this within 1 month to improve. It also has a pocket for receipts and bills at the end of each month. It's also in different colors. And the very last page of the month comes with a motivational quote. The goal isn't more money, the goal is living life on your terms. And it goes to the next month in a different color with another pocket. Moving on to the quick start guide. This is where you put your financial goals, your mind map. Basically, the quick start guide gives you a breakdown of how to use each section of the planner to its fullest potential. Have your strategy and tactics. Very, very detailed. On the inside of the Quick Start Guide, it gives you the full month in one view. You can write down the month. It's undated, so you can choose whenever you want to start. It has your monthly budget, which is in sections, and you can write down how much you spent or your budget for each section of that. The Quick Start Guide definitely comes in handy, so take a look at how detailed it is. It's like a mock example of how to use the planner. Savings and debt tracker, savings tracker, debt tracker, in detail, in color. So there's an inside look on the Clever Fox Budget Planner Notebook. So if you're anything like me, then you know that you don't want to have those surprises that come out of your bank account at the end of the week or the end of the month. You're like, what did I spend my check on? Like, where did all my money go? So this is a great notebook to be able to put everything in order to where you see what you spent your money on. So it's not a surprise when you have your Hulu come out at the end of the month, or your Netflix account or something like that, or a bill that you had set up on auto pay. So it's very helpful. If you're interested in purchasing this notebook, I'll include all the details in the description box below. Thank you for watching.